Today, we are going to study the unique mechanism which is present in the utricularia under the death traps in the utricularia. Now, the plants generally make their own food through the process of the photosynthesis. The plants are eaten by the herbivores, and herbivores in turn they are eaten by the carnivores, which is a common hierarchy of the food chain. But there are some plants which are carnivorous in their adaptation. So here we are going to study few carnivorous plants. So first plant, it belongs to genus the Drosera. Now here in the first picture you can see a very small tiny plant possessing numerous digestive glands present on the leaves. In the second picture you can see the presence of numerous digestive glands which are sticky in their nature, and because of the sticky digestive glands the insects they attach because of the sticky nature of the digestive gland, and they are trapped in the digestive glands. After trapping, the rolling of the leaf takes place, and by the secretion of the digestive acids the insect is digested by this plant. Now the second plant, it belongs to genus Dionaea. Now this Dionaea, it also possesses a unique mechanism for trapping the insects. Now this Dionaea, it possesses sensitive hairs on the inner side of the leaves. So when such insect it comes and it touches the sensitive hairs, the two leaf or traps they close, and suddenly, and due to the sudden movement the insect it cannot move from this trap, and such type of insects they are trapped by the Dionaea. Now this third plant it belongs to the genus Nepenthes. Now this beautiful picture it is actually a modification of the leaf. Now this modified picture it is very attractive in nature, and because of its attractive nature the insects they are attracted, and when they come near the mouth of this picture these insects they fall down in the this bag like structure, and when it falls in the bag like structure the acid which is present secreted by the plant it is responsible for the digestion of the insect. Now there are peculiar adaptations for trapping its prey. These plants they catches the small insects. For the trapping insects, there are two types of traps. One trap is called the passive and another called the active trap. The passive traps do not move out but have many clever methods to seduce their victims. and active traps use various movements to secure their prey. Now, this is a picture showing the lateritic plateaus of Western Ghats of Maharashtra during the rainy season. Now, this picture shows different plants belonging to different genera, and among these different genera, one of the important plant called the Utricularia, it is present. This Utricularia, it belongs to family Blentibulariaceae. In the world, there are 233 species, and in India, there are about 35 species. Now, there is a myth. Ravana moved Sita by Pushpak Viman to Ashok Vatika, and these flowers are believed to have been formed by Sita Devi's tears. So this beautiful Utricularia, it is actually a carnivorous plant which catches the insects through its bladder. Now here this picture shows the presence of the bladder. In the first picture you can see the numerous black colored tiny bladders, they are present on the roots, and in the second picture it shows a small tiny insects, they are trapped inside the bag. So we will see the detailed mechanism of the trap, how the insects they are trapped inside the bladder. Now here you can see this is a bag. Now this bag, it consists of a small door which is closed by a valve present at the mouth, and there are such sensitive hairs they are present near the mouth. Now before catching the insect, the water is pumped out from the bladder, so there is no water inside the bladder. So when the insect touches these sensitive hairs, the valve present on the inner side of the mouth opens inside, so that bladder sucks nearby water, including the insects. Such a way, along with the water, the insects they are also moved through this opening into the bladder. Now after some time, this mouth, it is closed by the valve present in the door, and in this way whatever insects they are trapped inside the bladder, they are digested and they are trapped inside this bladder. So the carnivorous plants grows in the nutrient poor environments where major targets of the prey capture are organic nitrogen and phosphorus. This deficiency, it is completed by these plants by digesting the bodies of the insects. Thank you.